sky turning dark outside. We don't need the lights on anyway. Come here. Rain tapping heavy on the window pane. Wash away the stress, wash away the strain. Drop your guard and let your clothes hit the floor. We ain't leaving through that bedroom door. The air is thick, the pressure's getting low. Fingers on your skin, moving soft and slow. I feel the static rising off your spine. Every inch of you is tangled up in mine. Hear the low rumble deep in your chest. Forget about the world, forget about rest. The clouds are breaking open, ready to pour. You're pulling me close, asking for more. Baby, make it sound like a thunderstorm, keeping each other soaking wet and warm. Lightning flashing across the sheets, matching our rhythm to the heavy drum beats. When the sky comes crashing down tonight, we're losing our minds in the low candlelight. Let the rain come down, let the thunder roll. Body and mind taking total control. Slow, steady drip turning into a flood. Feel the sudden heat rushing through your blood. Lips tracing shadows everywhere they go, whispering words that only we both know. Grip on my shoulders, nails digging in. Can't tell where you end and where I begin. The wind is howling, but you're louder than the storm. Two bodies moving, making our own form. Hear the low rumble deep in your chest. Forget about the world, forget about rest. The clouds are breaking open, ready to pour. You're pulling me close, asking for more. Baby, make it sound like a thunderstorm, keeping each other soaking wet and warm. Lightning flashing across the sheets, matching our rhythm to the heavy drum beats. When the sky comes crashing down tonight, we're losing our minds in the low candlelight. Let the rain come down, let the thunder roll. Body and mind taking total control. Right at the peak before the dam breaks, feel the whole room and the headboard shake. Hold on to me, don't let it go. Faster now, no more slow. Flash a white light, everything clear. Give me everything right now, right here. Baby, make it sound like a thunderstorm, keeping each other soaking wet and warm. Lightning flashing across the sheets, matching our rhythm to the heavy drum beats. When the sky comes crashing down tonight, we're losing our minds in the low candlelight. Let the rain come down, let the thunder roll. Body and mind taking total control. Let it pour.